let's just run, girl. If we wake up and you wanna break up, that's cool.